Welcome back to Simple Trends. Today we have a budding chef, my elder son, who has decided to give me a day off by volunteering to make breakfast. He is going to make a creamy vegetable sandwich.
I have taken one chopped onion, one grated carrot, a little boiled sweet corn, one chopped capsicum, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 cube of grated processed cheese, 1 cup milk, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon all purpose flour or maida, 1 tablespoon butter, quarter teaspoon pepper powder and salt to taste. I am going to saute the vegetables on high flame. Add the onions, ginger garlic paste, cook for a minute. Add the carrot, capsicum, corn and chili powder. Mix it well. Let's make the white sauce now. In a pan, add the butter. After it melts, add the all-purpose flour and cook for a few minutes. Add the pepper powder and the milk. Cook for a few minutes. Add salt for the vegetables too. Cook without any lumps. Now add the cheese. It has thickened well. Give it a quick mix. Now add the vegetables and cook for a minute till the sauce is thick. Now let's make the sandwich. On a tawa, add a few drops of ghee or butter. Now place a slice of bread. Apply ghee on the other side and flip it. Place the sandwich filling. Place another slice of bread on top. Apply a little ghee. Cook on both the sides for a few minutes till it turns golden brown. The flame must be low to avoid burning. The sandwich is now ready.
I enjoyed the proud moment of relishing the yummy sandwich made by my son. The effort he took to ease my work made me the happiest. Hope you enjoyed watching this. See you all in another interesting video. Till then, stay tuned to Simple Trends. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on our new videos. Bye.